हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट, आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में स्वागत है। आपसे मेरी प्रार्थना है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बाजू वाली बेल को प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि आपको मेरे वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिले। तो शुरुआत करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs की, जो कि हमने लिए हैं 11th NCERT का दूसरा चैप्टर बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन। तो आज इस सेकेंड चैप्टर में बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन में कुछ लगभग हम 100 तक MCQ कवर करने की कोशिश करेंगे विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन। तो आज का हमारा फर्स्ट MCQ है, द टर्म टैक्सोनॉमी वॉज क्वाइंड बाय। द टर्म टैक्सोनॉमी वॉज क्वाइंड बाय, और हमारे पास ऑप्शंस है डी कैंडॉल, लिनियस, जॉन रे एंड बोहेन। तो इसमें सही आंसर है डी कैंडॉल। द टर्म टैक्सोनॉमी वॉज क्वाइंड बाय डी कैंडॉल। सेकेंड MCQ है, द बेसिक और स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन इज। ऑप्शन है स्पेसीज, टैक्सॉन, कैटेगरी एंड सब स्पेसीज। तो इसका राइट आंसर है स्पेसीज इज द स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन। तीसरा MCQ, डायनामिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ स्पेसीज इज दैट स्पेसीज ग्रेजुअली चेंज और म्यूटेट and form new species was first given by French biologist। ऑप्शंस है हमारे पास जॉन रे, जूलियन हक्सले, डी राइस एंड लैमार्क। So dynamic concept of species was given by Lamarck. Lamarck is the correct option. Fourth number MCQ, most recent branch of taxonomy is। options है कैरियोटैक्सोनॉमी, बायोकेमिकल टैक्सोनॉमी, न्यूमेरिकल टैक्सोनॉमी एंड क्लासिकल टैक्सोनॉमी और क्लासिकल सिस्टेमेटिक। 4 नंबर के MCQ का सही आंसर है कैरियोटैक्सोनॉमी, रिसेंट ब्रांच है टैक्सोनॉमी की। 5th नंबर की क्वेश्चन है, द नंबर ऑफ ऑब्लिगेट कैटेगरीज which are always used in taxonomic hierarchies are। तो नंबर ऑफ ऑब्लिगेटरी कैटेगरीज के लिए ऑप्शंस है हमारे पास, फर्स्ट है 7, सेकंड है 5, थर्ड 3 एंड फोर्थ है 8। So obligate categories are 7. So right answer is first। 6th number MCQ, according to binomial nomenclature which one is incorrect। ऑप्शंस है फर्स्ट टोटोनिम्स, सेकेंड है सिनोनिम्स, थर्ड है एटोनिम्स एंड फोर्थ है बायोनिम्स। तो इसमें से सही आंसर है फर्स्ट, which one is incorrect, that is the tautonyms। Next question, 7 number, in binomial nomenclature proposed by Linnaeus every organism has। ऑप्शंस है टू नेम्स, वन लैटिन एंड अदर कॉमन। सेकेंड ऑप्शन है टू नेम्स, वन साइंटिफिक एंड अदर वर्नैक्युलर। थर्ड ऑप्शन है वन साइंटिफिक नेम गिवन बाय टू साइंटिस्ट। और लास्ट ऑप्शन है वन साइंटिफिक और बायोलॉजिकल नेम विथ टू वर्ड्स और जीनस एंड स्पेसीज। तो इसका सही आंसर है फोर्थ। इन बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर द टू बायोलॉजिकल नेम्स आर देयर, जीनस एंड स्पेसीज। 8 नंबर का क्वेश्चन, टैक्सॉन इज अ यूनिट ऑफ ऑप्शंस है ऑर्डर, जेनेरा, स्पेसीज, टैक्सोनॉमी। सो टैक्सॉन इज द यूनिट ऑफ टैक्सोनॉमी। 9 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है द आइडिया ऑफ बाइनोमियल नोमेनक्लेचर was first introduced by ऑप्शन से गैस्पर्ड बोइन, लिनियस, जॉन रे, सिसल पिनो। द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज फर्स्ट, गैस्पर्ड बोइन। 10 नंबर MCQ, in which book binomial nomenclature was issued by Linnaeus? Options are first Historia Naturae, second Systema Naturae, third is Historia Plantarum, and fourth is Genera Plantarum. So correct option is second, Systema Naturae. Let's come to the next MCQ. 11 number, phonetic classification is based on options है first dendrograms based on DNA characteristics, second है sexual characteristics, third है ancestral lineage of existing organisms, and fourth is observable characteristics of existing organisms. So phonetic classification is based on the observable characteristics of existing organisms. Next MCQ is, which nomenclature system is followed by naming plants? Options are polynomial, second vernacular, third binomial, and fourth is trinomial. तो 12 number MCQ, which nomenclature system is followed for naming plant? तो सही आंसर है बाइनोमियल। 13 नंबर की MCQ की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, डेंड्रोग्राम इज बेस्ड ऑन ऑप्शंस है फेनेटिक टैक्सोनॉमी, सेकेंड एडेंसोनियन टैक्सोनॉमी, थर्ड न्यूमेरिकल टैक्सोनॉमी, एंड फोर्थ ऑल द अबव। So option for these is all the above. Next question है, the three phases of taxonomy alpha, beta, gamma were recognized by options है first D. Kendall, second Julian Huxley, third Takatajan, and fourth Turrell. So correct option is the fourth number, Turrell. 15 number MCQ है, phylogeny refers to ऑप्शन है हमारे पास स्टूडेंट। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज टैक्सोनॉमी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, second is evolutionary classification, third is evolutionary history, and fourth is मॉडर्न क्लासिफिकेशन। तो इसमें से सही ऑप्शन है इवोल्यूशनरी हिस्ट्री। फाइलोजेनी का मतलब होता है इवोल्यूशनरी हिस्ट्री। 16 नंबर MCQ, linear sexual system of classification of plant on the basis of number and arrangement of stamens and carpels or morphology of floral part is, options है artificial, second natural, third phylogenetic, and fourth partly natural and partly artificial. So correct option is a first artificial. 70 number MCQ, Hutchinson's phylogenetic classification is based on bases 22 principles. It states that options are evolution in downward direction cause reduction and suppression. Second option है evolution does not necessarily involve all organs at same time. Third options, monocots are advanced over dicots, and fourth is all of the above. So for this question the correct option is fourth, all of the above. 18 number MCQ, decomposers belongs to kingdom. Options are Monera and Protista, second option है Protista and Fungi, third option है Monera, Protista and Fungi, and fourth option है Protista, Fungi and Animalia. तो decomposers belonging to the kingdom, third Monera, Protista and Fungi. 19 number question, three kingdom system of classification was proposed by. Options are Haeckel, second Linnaeus, third Stanier, fourth Copeland. So for this the correct option is Haeckel first. हमारा 20 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, फोर किंगडम सिस्टम ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन वॉज गिवन बाय. ऑप्शंस आर Haeckel, Linnaeus, Copeland and Whittaker. So four kingdom system of classification was given by Copeland. Next question, 21st number. Engler and Prandtl proposed their phylogenetic system in. Options are Species Plantarum, second Dinaturalicanes, Flancen, Familion, third Origin of Species, and fourth Phylogeny of Flowering Plants. So इसका सही आंसर है सेकेंड Dinaturalican, Flancen, Familion. 22 number question. In Whittaker five kingdom system of classification, eukaryotes are placed in. Options हैं थ्री किंगडम, टू किंगडम, फोर किंगडम and all the five kingdoms. So eukaryotes are placed in four kingdom. Plantae, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, and kingdom Animalia, except kingdom Monera. So all the eukaryotes are placed in these four kingdom and prokaryotes placed in kingdom Monera. 23 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है Copeland and Stanier in 1956 in their four kingdom system placed prokaryotes in kingdom. Options are Monera, Protista, Metaphyta, Metazoa. So right answer is kingdom Monera. 24 number question. ICZN or ICBN does not applies to. Options है viruses, plants, animals, bacteria. So it does not apply to viruses. 25th number question. Classification based on maximum morphological characters and form relationships is called as. Options are phylogenetic, natural, artificial and ancient. तो इसका सही आंसर है नेचुरल. 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन. Artificial system is based on. Options are first one or two morphological characters, second few characters, third several characters and fourth synthetic characters. तो इसका सही आंसर है फर्स्ट वन और टू morphological characters. 27 number MCQ is all modern classifications are now based on. Options are evolutionary history, second है genetics, third is ecology and fourth is all the above. So for this question the right answer is all of the above. 28 नंबर का क्वेश्चन. 6 kingdom classification was suggested by Gray and Doolittle and Carl Hughes divided these 6 kingdom into 3 domains on the basis of sequence of. Options are rRNA genes, second mRNA genes, third nitrogen bases in DNA and fourth amino acids in proteins. Correct option for these is rRNA genes, ribosomal RNA gene sequences. 29 number MCQ is in Whitaker classification which kingdom is main producer. Options है Monera, Protista, Plantae, Mycota. इसका सही आंसर है Protista. Which kingdom is a main producer? इसका मेन आंसर है Protista. Sorry for this. In Whitaker classification, kingdom Plantae is the main producer. 30 number question. The term new systematics was introduced by. Options are Julian Huxley, D. Kendall, Lamarck and Carolus Linnaeus. The correct answer is Julian Huxley. 31st. New systematics based on genetic interrelationship is ऑप्शंस है केमोटैक्सोनॉमी, साइटोटैक्सोनॉमी, न्यूमेरिकल टैक्सोनॉमी, एक्सपेरिमेंटल टैक्सोनॉमी. So for this, the correct option is a experimental taxonomy. 32 number question. Term systematics was coined by Linnaeus in his book Systema Naturae. It includes options है identification, nomenclature, classification. Second, relationship among organisms. Third option, diversity of organisms. And fourth, all of the above. So right answer is all of the above. 33 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है. The suffix oid is added in. Options is family, class, subfamily and subclass. oid सफिक्स कहाँ पे होता है? फैमिली में, क्लास में, सब फैमिली में या सब क्लास में. तो इसका राइट आंसर है सब फैमिली. 34 नंबर इज natural system of classification differs from artificial system in. options है developing evolutionary trends, taking only vegetative traits. Third, employing only floral traits. And fourth, bringing out similarities and dissimilarities. So option for 34 is bringing out similarities and dissimilarities. 35 number question. The book Genera Plantarum was written by. options है Besse, second Engler and Prantl, third Bentham and Hooker, and last Hutchinson. तो इसका सही आंसर है थर्ड Bentham and Hooker. 36 number. Sometimes different authors gives different names to one and the same species. In such a situation, law of priority used in which? options है names. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है हमारा names under which the species was first described is valid name and all other names become synonyms. Second, latest name under which species was described becomes valid and acceptable. Third, scientists are at liberty to use any of the name. And last, all known names are discarded and a new name is given to the species. So for this, the first option is correct. The name comes first is a valid and the other names are the synonyms. 37 number MCQ है phonetics is a natural classification, numerical taxonomy, cytotaxonomy, chemotaxonomy. So phonetics is a numerical taxonomy. 38 number. Which of the following is included in new systematics? $38 नंबर MCQ है. Which of the following is included in new systematics? Options are Karyotaxonomy and cytotaxonomy. Second है Morphotaxonomy and numerical taxonomy. Third is experimental taxonomy and chemotaxonomy. And fourth option is all of the above. So here the right answer is all of the above. Students, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा 39 नंबर. थैलोफाइटा इंक्लूड्स. ऑप्शंस है फर्स्ट अल्गी, फंगी, बैक्टीरिया एंड लिचेंस. सेकेंड ऑप्शन है अल्गी एंड फंगी. थर्ड ऑप्शन है फंगी एंड बैक्टीरिया. एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन है अल्गी, फंगी एंड लिचेंस. सो 39 नंबर का सही आंसर है फर्स्ट. थैलोफाइटा इंक्लूड्स अल्गी, फंगी, बैक्टीरिया एंड लिचेंस. 40 number question. In Whittaker phylogenetic classification, slime mold belongs to. Options है fungi, second protist, third monera and animalia. Slime mold is a fungi like organisms, so it is included in the protista. 41. In five kingdom system, which one is the main basis of classification? Options है structure of nucleus, second mode of nutrition, third structure of cell wall and fourth asexual reproduction. So इसका सही आंसर है mode of nutrition. 42. In five kingdom classification, the kingdom that includes the blue-green algae, nitrogen fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria is. Options are Plantae, fungi, protista and monera. तो इसके लिए सही आंसर रहेगा किंगडम मोनेरा. Let's see the questions on the kingdoms one by one. First kingdom is a monera. इसमें 43 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है. ड्यूरिंग कॉन्जुगेशन बैक्टीरिया अटैच बाय मीन्स ऑफ. ऑप्शंस आर फ्लैजेला, सेकेंड पीली, थर्ड सिलिया and fourth here. So here right option is pili. 44. Which is brooms of potato is caused by. Options are mycoplasma, bacteria, viruses and all the above. So which is broom of potato is caused by mycoplasma. 45. A parasite which becomes saprophytic in the absence of host is called as? Options are obligate parasite, facultative parasite, obligate saprophyte, and facultative saprophyte. So here the answer is facultative saprophyte. 46. Ribosomes of nostoc are? Options are 50 years, 60 years, third 70 years, and 80 years. Nostoc is a blue-green algae, means it's a bacteria and which has a 70 years types of ribosomes. 47. All bacterial cells get stain with? All bacterial cells get stain with? Options are mercury chloride, second is crystal violet, third is crystal violet plus iodine, and fourth is sapranine. So all the bacterial cells stain with crystal violet. 48. Mucopeptide is abundant in the cell wall of? Options are cyanobacteria, second gram positive bacteria, third gram negative bacteria, and fourth bacteriophages. So mucopeptide is abundant in the cell wall of gram positive bacteria. 49 number question. Iron bacterium is? Options are Bagiotoa, second Geobacillus, third Thiobacillus, and fourth none of these. So iron bacterium is a Thiobacillus. 50 number question. Bacteria obtaining energy by oxidation of inorganic substances are called as? Options A chemolithotrophs, second chemoorganotrophs, third photolithotrophs, and fourth photoorganotrophs. Answer is chemolithotrophs. 51 number question. Which one does not evolve oxygen? Options are photosynthetic bacteria, blue green algae, third green algae, fourth autotrophic plant. सही आंसर है फोटोसिंथेटिक बैक्टीरिया. 52. Peritrichous bacteria have flagella. Options है all over the body, at one end, third both end, and fourth none. So peritrichous bacteria have flagella all over the body. 53 number. Prokaryotic genetic material is? Options are linear DNA plus histone, second circular DNA plus histone, third linear DNA without histone, and fourth circular DNA without histone. So for this the right answer is circular DNA without histone. 54. Bacterial photosynthesis differ from photosynthesis of others in? Options first product, second number of phases, third type of reductant, and fourth, all the above. For this, the option third is correct type of reductant. 55. Halophiles grow in concentrated salt solution due to options: Bacteriorhodopsin, second, branched hydrocarbon chain in phospholipid, third, active absorption, and fourth, accumulation of KCl. So इसका राइट आंसर है सेकेंड, ब्रांच्ड हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन इन फॉस्फोलिपिड बाइलेयर. 56. Plague is caused by, options are Xanthomonas, second, Pasteurella pestis, third, Varicella virus, and fourth, Pseudomonas. So plague is caused by Pasteurella pestis. 57. Blue-green algae are first Eubacteria, second Cyanobacteria, third Actinomycetes, fourth Archaebacteria. So blue-green algae are Cyanobacteria. 58. Which of the following is correct about legumes? Options are: they are incapable of fixing nitrogen, second, they fix nitrogen with the help of bacteria that lives in their leaves, third, they fix nitrogen with the help of bacteria that lives in their root, and fourth, they fix nitrogen independent of bacteria. तो इसके लिए सही आंसर होगा थर्ड वाला, they fix nitrogen with the help of bacteria that lives in their root. They produces nodules on their root, and these root nodules consist of colonies of nitrogen fixing bacteria. 59. नंबर क्वेश्चन है, नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन इज परफॉर्म्ड बाय. ऑप्शंस आर ग्रीन algae and fungi, second ferns and cycads, third legumes and cereals, and fourth blue green algae and bacteria. So here nitrogen fixation is performed by fourth, blue green algae and bacteria. 60 number question, match items of column first with those of column second and choose the correct combination. In column first, the diseases are given, and in column second, their causative agents are given. So we have to match the column first correctly with the options of column second. So first is pneumonia. Pneumonia is caused by Diplococcus pneumoniae. So ये pairs with T. Second, citrus canker. Citrus canker. Citrus canker is caused by Xanthomonas citri. Third is cholera. Cholera is caused by bacteria called as Vibrio coma. And leprosy is caused by Mycobacterium leprae. So the option first is correct for this. 61 number MCQ. Bacteria possesses the organelles. Options are Golgi bodies, mesosomes, mitochondria, all the above. Option second is correct, mesosomes. 62 number question. Coma-shaped bacteria are, options are Bacilli, Spirilla, Vibrio and Cocci. So correct option is Vibrio. 63 number question. The bacterium Clostridium botulinum that causes botulism is, options are first obligate aerobes, second facultative aerobes, third facultative anaerobes, fourth obligate anaerobes. For this, the correct option is obligate anaerobes. 64 number. Cell wall of gram positive bacteria is formed of, options are cellulose, murine, lipid and protein, and fourth option cellulose and lipid. So for this, the second option is correct, murine. 65 number question. Bacterium associated with legume root is, options are first Rhizobium, second Nostoc, third Spirogyra, fourth Clostridium. तो सही आंसर है राइजोबियम. 66 number question. The most primitive monerans are, options are Rickettsia, second Actinomycetes, third Progenote, fourth Orchibacteria. So most primitive monerans are Orchibacteria. 67. Prokaryotes possess, options are nucleus, nucleoid, nucleolus and none of these. So option nucleoid is correct. 68 number question. Bt genes occur in, options है first Bacillus thuringiensis, second E. coli, third Agrobacterium tumefaciens and fourth Rhizobium leguminosarum. So इसका सही ऑप्शन है फर्स्ट Bacillus thuringiensis. 69 number question. Which of the following statement is or are correct with respect to bacteria? Options are bacteria are the sole members of the kingdom Monera. Second, bacteria occurs almost everywhere. Third, bacteria are the most abundant microorganism. Fourth is 80 type of ribosomes are present in bacteria. चारों ऑप्शन में से मतलब चारों स्टेटमेंट्स में से कितने स्टेटमेंट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू बैक्टीरिया सही है? तो स्टेटमेंट इसका ऑप्शन है फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, सेकंड स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है एंड थर्ड स्टेटमेंट भी करेक्ट है और फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग है अबाउट बैक्टीरिया बिकॉज बैक्टीरियाज में होते हैं 70 टाइप के राइबोसोम्स। तो इसका ऑप्शन आएगा A B C।